Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are going to be creating Rosalie's daytime look. So stay tuned if you want to figure out exactly how to achieve this look. So to begin a Rosalie tutorial, like every other tutorial I do, I'm going to start with eyeshadow primer. So we're going to go in with the shade Chantilly, and I'm just going to put that in the crease and up to the brow bone. For the transition shade, we are going into Taupe in the Lorac Pro 1 palette. And I'm just going to very gently work that into the crease. You don't have to be as precise with this color, it's just the transition shade. Alright, and now we're going to go in with the shade Cool Gray from the Lorac Pro 2 palette. And I'm just concentrating this on the outside and in the crease a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Charcoal from the Lorac Pro 2. I'm going to focus that right in that crease right there. And then I'm going to go back in with the brush we used for Cool Gray and blend that in a bit. I'm using a lot of cool tones on Rosalie today because I tend to use a lot of warm ones on Alice because her personality is very warm and bubbly, and Rosalie's is a little bit more cool. I'm going to go back in with that shade Charcoal on a pencil brush. I'm going to apply this on the outer half of the lid. And we're not going to need to blend that because we're going to do something fun. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Kitten. It is a Stila Magnificent Metals. It's just a metallic, not a glitter, but I'm going to take it on a small brush. And we are going to apply it on her lid and into that gray. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Charcoal again on that pencil brush, and I'm just going to blend them together by lightly tapping. So now I'm going to go in with some gel eyeliner on an angled brush. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to do her face primer. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the foundation, and I did mix in some of the green to help take down the redness on her face. Okay, so next I'm going to go under her eyes with some of that foundation mixed in with the peach shade to help with any dark circles. Now we're going to blend in that foundation concoction, and I'm going to have her stay looking up. Like Bella has really defined smile lines. What I'm going to do is get rid of the creases first with the Beauty Blender as much as I can, and then I'm going to place powder there, and that will help to crease it. However, Marlene is right, at the end of the day, like, makeup can only do so much. Alright, now we're going to begin contouring, and we are going to go in with the lightest shade here of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, and this is in the shade Fair. And this color in particular is called Fawn, and it is a very nice cool tone contour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that just under her cheekbones and apply the contour. Okay, and now I'm going to take that loose powder and I'm going to pat that into the rest of her face to set the rest. And I am going to go over where I contoured so it locks it into place and it kind of makes it look a little bit more natural. So next I'm going to go in with this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, and this is in the shade Diffused Light, and we are just going to put that all over the face. So now I'm going to go in with the powder contour. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette, and I'm going to dip into this gray tone right here. Let's go ahead and turn this way. And we're just going to put that anywhere that we put the cream contour just to enhance that a bit. I'm going to take the shade Taupe from the Lorac Pro 1, and I'm going to take that under her eyes, just like we did in the transition on her lids. Now I'm going to take the shade Charcoal from the Lorac Pro 2 palette, and I'm going to take that on a thinner brush, and I'm going to place this right along the lash line. Now we're going to go in with some mascara, and I'm just going to have her look down And I'm going to apply this to the top lashes and the bottom lashes, and then we're going to go in with false lashes. Alright, so next we're going to go in with my favorite highlighter. This is the Cover FX Moonlight Highlighter. This is their original formula. They have reformulated it, but the original is a lot more natural than the others. So I'm going to have her turn to the side, and we're just going to hit that cheekbone right here. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Dusty Rose from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a liquid lipstick, and it is actually Rosalie's signature look that I make sure that we do every year, whether or not I'm the makeup artist on that character. Alright, so the last step that we need to do is some setting spray. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Go ahead and close your eyes. Alright, here we have it. This is the Rosalie Hale look for the daytime. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay, quiet on set. So next we are going to go in... Jesus!
That's a good idea though, to stay quiet on the set, because then I'll shut up.
It didn't work though.
It was so abrupt that I was just like, okay. Reunited and it feels so good.
Oh my god.
I can't not wiggle. I like have a beat within my heart.
I got my...
Have you ever had your lip tickled?